If you want to recover your Facebook account, whether it was hacked, disabled, or you have forgotten your email or password after the 2026 update to get back into your account. So if your account is hacked, you cannot log in with your old password, or maybe your older device is lost, you got a new one and it erased the previous account, and now you can't log into your Facebook account. Whatever the reason is, just open the app, tap on Create New Account, and then hit Find My Account. Now you need access to either your mobile number or email address, depending what you have set to your account. If both, just put down whatever number or email you can remember, and then press Continue. Now here's the thing, if you have any other device that's logged into this account, you can approve that from there. But if you cannot access those devices, just tap on Try Another Way, and then you have several options. Either a code will be sent to your WhatsApp to that number, or you can enter via password, or you can get a code via SMS if you don't have WhatsApp. Just select which one you can reach to right now. The thing is, you must have access to either your email or your phone number. Okay? Now, whatever source you have tried, after getting the code, just put down the code in here, verify yourself, and then just log into your account. And additionally, especially if it's a hacked account situation, we recommend you to go to your profile settings, from there to password and security to change password, and you gotta immediately change the password. If the password is changed by an outside source, you gotta press Forgot Password, and through the verification process of the phone number or email that you have access to, you gotta just change the password. Now, if it's just a forgot password situation, in the login page, just hit Forgot Password, and then by the exact same process, you gotta verify yourself to reset the password. Just in case if the account was hacked but you could not recover it in any way, you gotta just use another trusted Facebook account and then search for your account that's been hacked. And then from the profile, tap on these three dots and then tap on the help option, and then follow the prompts and just report that this account was hacked. Hopefully, Facebook will contact you in a few days and help you solve this problem. Thanks for watching.